Alright, welcome to another POV car review. In front of me I have a 2015 Audi A3 2.0 Quattro. So this is one of the trade-in from the customer. I had a chance to walk around and show you guys the vehicle. It is gorgeous, beautiful red color, and it's got the aftermarket beautiful 19-inch rims on it. The thing is that rims, if I'm not mistaken, is from the Niche, the company, and it has a sport Continental tires on it. Those are 19-inch tires, so it looks amazing on this car and it looks much sportier, even though this is the entry-level Audi A3. So back to the vehicle, and this is the used vehicle, about 3-year-old. It's got over under 60,000 miles on it. Looks like owners has been kept in really good shape. And as you can see, they take it out the Audi sign over here, so you don't see any Audi sign. And I think it will look much better if someone put the you know, carbon fiber kind of look like double exhaust on this car. It's gonna look much better. All right, and this one is a 2.01. you know, there's nothing nothing on the engine, which is a regular stock 220 horsepower and 258 if I'm not mistaken. Let me open it on my phone. Yep, 258 pound-feet of torque on this one. Let's open up the trunk. Trunk is actually, to me, good size. All right, and I'm only 5 feet and 4, I believe, maybe 3, not sure. This is actually great size on the back seat, so I've got enough legroom, and headroom is also pretty decent. I think if someone is over 6 feet and over 200 pounds, I mean, pounds shouldn't be matter on this point. Might be a little bit struggle on the back seat. So, and this is the gorgeous, beautiful car. This is one of my dream car, actually. If I had a chance to buy this car, I would, without doubt, I would probably buy it. And TFSI 4-cylinder 2.0, like I said, 220 horsepower. It's got a small engine, but it does pretty good job on the size. Okay, and everything is original when we looked at it. Nothing has been done. Also all-wheel drive. Man, this front looks pretty aggressive and nice. And I wish this part was blacked out. Am I gonna look really good? Fortunately, this one does not have any fog lights. All right, I guess it's time to go ahead, drive this car, and to see how it feels. Put my phone over here. So, and starting is actually here. Key. Oh yeah, here's the Audi Key. If someone doesn't know how it looks, this is Audi Key. Even though this has a key fob, you don't have any, you know, you start a car over here. So you got here, start engine and stop. Gonna go ahead, click on it, and this little screen is gonna pop out for you. So you, as a driver, you're able to see some, you know, the radio, navigation, backup camera, some other. And I've drove several Audi A3s, A4s, some other ones. Some of them are base model, and it looks like this is not a base one. It does have a heated seat, Bang Olufsen sound system. It's actually amazing sound system, and it's got a huge sunroof. I wouldn't call this a panoramic roof, even though it's just almost half of the size. Hope you're able to see it on the camera. So anyway, all right, so we're gonna go ahead and drive this car. Let's put the seat belt on first. And I'm not gonna drive too far and see how it feels. not gonna drive too crazy or anything like that, because the weather is as bad as it looks. You know, there has been rain. I wanted to shoot this car as soon as possible, but it has been rain earlier, so I couldn't get anything. Alright, I have drove and shoot the POV video several times with the different Audis, and black one in the previous, and those are all about the same. And I just really like this color. It's got a beautiful darkish red color with a aftermarket rims, and it's just amazing car. And also you gotta remember that this is the Quattro, which is all-wheel drive vehicle. I do enjoy it. I personally hate driving the car, especially a nice car Audi like this in this weather, because after rain, as you know, the roads are wet, and then you're just not gonna enjoy driving the fastest cars. It started pouring now. Guess we're gonna go back to the shop again. right, so hope you guys enjoy this walk around Audi A3 video. Even though it's a little older one, this is one of my favorite. I just wanted to show you guys this beautiful car that you can get under $15,000. I think it's close to $15,000 in the end of the 2019 market price actually. So I know a lot of us, I'm sure, will be able to afford this car. I think if someone looking for something sportier, some decent horsepower, that would be the one of the nice car that you can find. So again, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this quick short video, make sure you hit the like, show me some love, and then if you have anything on your mind, leave it on the comment below. And again, I'm gonna see you guys next video very shortly. Bye.